Hi, my name is Siti Naraja Snarno with metric number 192163. So I'm going to elaborate about the objective of our mini project. Our aim for this project is to build a smart home system by controlling the lights and the fans. The lights and the fans are chosen because these two things are frequently used in our house. So by the end of the project, we believe that we can make a control system to switch on or switch off the light and fans using application in our smartphone. Second, we believe that we can make a control system to switch on or off the lights or fans as a feedback reaction from the sound that we make. For example, clapping. Next, we believe that we can make a control system to switch on or switch off the lights based on the brightness of the environment. And last but not least, a control system to switch on the lights automatically by detecting the arrival of humans into a room or a house. So, what is actually smart home system? What is smart house? Smart house is something that gradually appear in this world. This smart house will be made up highly skilled components. So this smart house is different from the traditional housing in terms of ventilation, heating, air conditioning system, lighting, and so on. So basically, the smart houses is more comfortable, safer, and better place, better home for people. So, in this project, we bring 4 systems that is included in that smart home system. So, the 4 systems that we bring in our project is 1. Controlling light and fan using smartphone application. Second, controlling lights or fan using clapping sound. Third, controlling light according to the brightness of the environment. And last is controlling lights or fan by detecting arrival of humans.
Welcome everyone, welcome to our smart home automation system project demonstration. Now we will see our smart home and we will see the hardware that I used. So this is our smart home. As you can see, this is our project for EEE 3928 Control Engineering Laboratory Room. This is our smart home automation system. I have built some plans and this is our this one. So as you can see, what we are using is actually, if you can see, LED, the outside LED for the porch, and also if you can see clearly inside, this servo motor represents a fan in the living room. And also this LED, this yellow LED here represents the living room light. And next one is the sound sensor over here. This one is for the master bedroom. Ignore the lights, I will explain why they are working later. Master bedroom, and if sound sensor is here, and this is the light. If you can see, these are 2 green LEDs for the master bedroom. Later I used ultrasonic sensor. I will explain the uses later. The yellow LED and this red LED inside here serves as a warning light. You will know why later. And also I used LDR on the roof to detect whether it's bright or dark. And also we used Bluetooth module, breadboard, and our brain microprocessor will be Arduino Uno R3. So these are our smart home. So I'll explain to you our system one by one. Thank you guys. So guys, our first automation system in this smart home will be controlling fan and lights using phone app. So as you can see here, I have make a phone app which is named Control Project to control lights and fans in living room. So we will see how we can do that. So first we must upload the code, but before we uploading we must we must take away this wire because these are communication wire for the Bluetooth. So without you doing this, you cannot upload the code. So as you can see, this is our code for the project, control project, which includes me, Aisha and Bao. So I just have to upload it. So you can see done uploading here, and once I uploaded, I must put back the two wires so that the Bluetooth will start work. Yes, once I have done that process, as you can see, my Bluetooth must be on and must connected with this H606. This is the Bluetooth module that for the Bluetooth module there. So it's paired, and then we go to our control project, and we must actually connect the Bluetooth, which I have already did. So Bluetooth connected. So as I said, this device, this one is used to control living room lights and also fan. So as you can see, if I press the lights on, the light actually bulbs, and the light actually bulbs in the smart home. Lights off, lights on, lights off, and fan on and fan off, fan on, fan off, fan on, fan off, lights on, lights off. So these are our first automation system to control LED and fan using phone app. This app. Yeah, so let's go to our second automation system. So now we will move to our second automation system, which we said in our project. Actually, not all people will be used to their phone apps to control the lights and fan. So we actually also implement for old people or disabled people or people who do not use smartphone to actually control lights or fans using sound, which in our project is the clapping mechanism. So as you can see, I use this project to control. I use this automation system to control our master bedroom lights, which are the green. So as you can see, these are the sound sensors. So when I clap, it automatically turns on, and when I claps again, it automatically turns off. It actually do not react to soft sound like I'm talking. As you can see, the lights actually did not affected by the voice of mine, but it's actually reacts only to a loud voice. Actually, like turns on, turns off, turns on, turns off. So this will be our second automation system to turn on and off the light using clapping mechanism. So let's go into our third automation system. So for third automation system is actually a security system. What I mean by security system is actually controlling your lights using the brightness outside. So sometimes you can be going overseas or any vacation for a week or more than that. So sometimes there won't be any people around your house to turn on the porch light when it is dark, or turn on the porch light when it is morning. So for this, we have introduced our third automation system using LDR, light dependent resistor, of course. So this LDR actually will detect the brightness of the surrounding. So now it is dark, and it's actually used to control the porch lights. If you can see, the porch light is the red LEDs over here. This is porch, and these are the porch lights. So it is bright on the surrounding, so the porch light do not turn on. But when it is dark, as you can see, it automatically turns on, and when it is bright, it automatically turns off. So I will demonstrate again. When it is dark, and this is when it's bright. Dark, bright. So as you can see, this is our third automation system, mainly for security system, which when it gets dark, the porch light automatically turns on, so people will think that there are people inside that actually turning on and off the lights. So this will be our third automation system. Let's move on to fourth automation system. So next will be our fourth automation system. So the fourth automation system is actually using ultrasonic and LEDs. So what this system will do is it can act as a security system, also it can act as an attractive system. This system actually can be used in two ways or more than that. So for example, this system actually involves master bathroom. So so when people enters bathroom, especially when at night, sometimes it is hard to find the switch and everything. So when they just walk into our master bedroom, it's actually automatically lights up, and when they walks off, it's actually automatically turns off. So I can demonstrate you a few times. So you can see when I entered master bathroom, it's actually lights up automatically. And also it can also act as a security system, because you can have like I put my store here. The store, maybe I can store something important. So when people actually walks into the store, the alert, like I said in the beginning, this is the warning light. The warning light maybe in your room or in the living room might light up. So when people actually walks into the store, these lights will turn on, so that you will know that somebody had went into the store.
My name is Bao Zhenfei and my metric number is 191334. So now I will talk about our group project conclusion. So in the conclusion, we have learned the criteria of smart house and understand the importance of smart house in the future. Technology do not only make our life easier, but also our environment to be safer and cleaner. If it is used in the right way, other than that, smart houses are not only necessary for normal person, but they help disabled people and older people to carry out their lifestyle with lesser help need. In our project, we successfully built 4 different control systems to switch on or off the lights and fan. We need 4 different machines to control them, which is by using application in our smartphone and answer feedback requisition from the sound we make, such as clamping, and based on the badness of the environment, and lastly by detecting the arrival of human into the house. This system compares the criteria of smart house, which is completing the command operation by sound, displacement, sensor, light, and shade, and the response from smartphone, Bluetooth. Therefore, our project objectives are met. Thank you.